I want to bring this color into my home. I've been having this need to have chartreuse in my life, the color chartreuse. This week we're going to do something about it. And when I say in my life, I really mean in the apartment. So far, I've got this cup, goblet, whatever you want to call it. So we need to do something about the appearance of this. It needs to be changed. And chartreuse is the starting point. And I feel like I want to make this into some kind of a plant pot. I can use some more plants. And then the other thing I have is this fabric. And I think I want to make a cushion cover of this, but not just this. This is way too boring. So we're gonna look for either trim, extra fabric, things to make a cushion cover more interesting and unique. Let's dive right in. The goblet, it needs color. I want to keep the trim here. I think that's kind of cute. And maybe this one in between, a little bits of gold I want to keep. Because I feel like chartreuse and gold really complement each other. Mixing, I feel like this is a difficult color. And I thought, or I'm thinking, and I hope, that this paint will get me there. Oh, I think it's funny because I always feel like in every vlog, I'm at this table DIYing or alternating or just making something. Okay, so the ratio green with yellow is different than I thought. I think I need way more yellow and just a little bit of green. Yeah, in my head it was easier. I mixed more colors than I thought. I mixed these four, but this is the color that I want. So I'm gonna slap it on here. It's exciting. I'm never scared of doing these kind of things, you know. If I don't like it, just put another color over it. I don't mind. Okay. First coat is on. I like it. Yeah, and I also painted the inside because it's white and I need to find a plant that fits. So I thought that would have a nicer finish. You know what? I'm not happy with the color. So I bought this neon. And I think if I could somehow weaken this down a little bit. I don't know, chartreuse is such a difficult color. And there's so many shades. So I still don't know what shade I like best, but I'm gonna try and do something with this. So I'll get back to you on that. Yeah, this is it. This pops so much more. Just for reference, it does pop more. How's your day going? And I went to the store this morning to find something else and I couldn't focus and but I brought home something and it's this. And I don't know how or what I just brought it because I think I can make something of this. Oh, a plant. I want to get a plant for the pot that I painted. God damn it. What was I gonna say? Something about getting myself distracted from feeling all the feelings. So I am heading to some stores. I give up. This is a conversation of I'm so sorry. I hope you're feeling better though. It was funny, I was in the store and the lady pointed at me because I guess she saw the green flickering light. I still had my microphone on. Have this plant. I feel like I do need to trim it a little bit because it's so wide. We'll see. I like it. If it's too big, I'll use it outside. And look, it's almost dry. Wow, it's so cute on camera as well. Because I feel like, check. This color makes me happy, so it does work. But look what it does on this wall color. And maybe, I don't know, I still don't know where I want to put it. I do know where I want to put the pillow though. It's coming in this corner. But I don't know where the plant is gonna go. Good morning. Oh, I really start to enjoy the walking into the living room because it looks so nice, and especially with the sunshine, obviously. But I am getting ready. I need to do stuff. I need to do so much stuff. Who doesn't? But I'm getting ready, and it's still, the sun is nice and it's warm, but it can still be chilly. There's my friends. I'll see you later. Bye. Look what Steven just brought me. His husband Tavi is a baker. Well, not by profession, but he just loves baking. And I like eating baked goods. Turn you around. Look, so sweet. Homemade chocolate cookies. An Easter bunny with a little bell. And a piece of his famous carrot cake. And I've tried this one before and it's to die for. No, it's really good. So sweet. Thank you. So we had coffee and a talk, which I needed. I needed a talk. I'm glad that we met up. Well, we met up, but we stayed here. And we had coffee, sit on the balcony for a little, but then it got too hot. So we went inside, which is fine. Now I want to work a little bit. Do I? Well, want is a big word. I need to work a little bit. But I'm getting a little bit more idea about the cushion that I want to make. Oh, no. What we can do right now, after I finished another coffee, we're gonna style the plants with the plant pot. Look, and this is where I want the plant to go. This these kind of things need to go then, I think. And then instead getting the green plant. And the thought about that corner is because, yeah, I was trying it out on here. I was trying it out on here and on here, but it was too low because I noticed that when I put it a little bit higher, so next to the TV, which the cabinet is higher, it fitted a lot better. So it looked way nicer. And this one with the mirror is also kind of high. So I was contemplating about that or that. And I'm making the decision right now that it's coming on there. I was just starting to clean out. Things are staying. The mirror is staying. The lamp is staying. This is staying. And I feel like this little painting is staying as well. And I need to change out the box a little bit and then build this little corner up again. This is the stack I'm using. This can go. I think this is it. This is the easiest styling of a corner I did in the whole apartment. Looks amazing. I'll show. Yeah, I'll just finish the pillow, and then I show you what chartreuse has done to the apartment. So did I show you the trim that I want? Well, not a trim really. I just want to embellish the pillow, and I want to make it this elongated thing on it. So I'm pinning this contraption, and I want to sew this little contraption by hand because I'm not way too insecure to do it on the sewing machine. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do by hand. And then I feel like if that's a square, I think I can do it on the sewing machine and make it on the front. That's how far I got. I finished it. Not the way I planned it, but I think it's gonna look really nice. I wish I could play the song from Limp Bizkit. It's just one of those days. I'm gonna play it when you're not watching. Just to get some aggression out of my system for this mother bleep pillow. Yeah, let's throw it on the chair. And then I will show you my little chartreuse additions to the apartment. I'm very happy and pleased about them. Trust me, you cannot make this shit up. I did something wrong again. It's 45 minutes later, I guess. And, well, I mended it. It's fine now. Note to self, if you have a bad day, don't start intricate DIYs, or for me, intricate DIYs. But hey ho, let's go. It's looking good. And come on, I'll show you. I don't know if I showed you, but the finished products. I like it. I do. This is the chair. And I'm gonna show you.